welcome. I'm Otis Landerholm. I'm the founding attorney here at Landerholm Immigration A.P.C, where we fight for your American dream. Thank you so much for being with me today. Today, I want to talk about how, for immigrants, how can we request credit reports, all right? And so this has become a requirement with the I-944 and the more rigorous regulations that went into effect on February 24th of 2020 regarding the public charge doctrine, all right? And so how do we request credit reports? Well, I'm going to share my screen, and hopefully we can do this together. I can just get you started in a relatively quick video here so that you can kind of understand how to pursue the process and get your credit report. All right. So to do that, what I recommend doing is going to annualcreditreport.com. Again, that's annualcreditreport.com, because you don't need to pay for one. Every credit bureau, which include Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian, they have to give every person a free credit report once a year. All right. And so we call it annualcreditreport.com. You go here. This is what it looks like. And then you click this button that says request your free credit reports. All right. And so 3 steps to your free credit reports. Okay. So request your credit reports. When you do this, when you go through this process, all right, it asks you for all of your information. And so you want to do this for yourself. You put in your birth date, you put in your social security number. I'm not going to fill this out for me because I don't want all my personal address and information to be on YouTube for everybody. So don't do it publicly, right? Just do it on your personal computer. But you'll need to do that, and you'll need to hit next, all right? After you hit next, all right, then it's going to give you, it's gonna kind of look you up. And the second step is it's going to verify your identity. And so it'll ask you questions, all right? It'll ask you questions about maybe an address where you've lived in the past, that they can check that you have, you have listed that address on a credit card or connected to your bank account or something like that, all right? And so then you'll have to answer typically 3 security questions about your past, and then you'll go to the third step, which is to choose the agency that you want. And you can choose any of the 3, Equifax, Experian, or TransUnion. And you can choose all 3 if you want to go through the process and get all 3. And then you'll get your own credit report. All right. And so, yeah, that's it. I guess I just wanted to share that. Go to freecreditreport.com. Go ahead and do it, and request your free credit report. And if you don't have a credit report, or if it says they can't find you, print that out as well, because that can serve to show that you don't have a credit report, which is evidence that we can submit with the case as well. So thank you, and thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful. If it was, please subscribe to our channel or give us a thumbs up here on the internet, and let the internet know that this was useful. But basically, it's a fairly simple process to go through, and go through it and download your credit report and check it out, and then you can use it or give it to your lawyer. Really, the next step then is to analyze and to look at your credit history to make sure that your credit history is good for the purpose of submitting with your public charge arguments. If you have negative credit history, then it's a question of, okay, what can we do to bolster it or to increase or to explain it so that the government will approve your green card application. So thank you so much. I'm Otis Landerholm, Landerholm Immigration A.P.C, where we fight for your American dream. Have a great rest of your day. All right, bye-bye.